just want to do a unboxing of, well, there's really nothing to unbox other than the case, but then again, I do this periodically on my channel. So today I went to the supermarket, and yes, they do have movies. So I went to and got Secret Life of Pets. It comes both on Blu-ray and DVD and digital HD. And as for the, I don't really do this, but I've been asked if someone could have the code for this. So I don't usually give them away. I don't usually give them away unless someone really wants to ask me. But and I know that some of the codes do expire. They, when they do digital copies, they shouldn't expire. They shouldn't expire. Then you can actually collect the codes and say, what movie should I watch? Oh, I have the digital code for such and such a movie. They should not expire. I know unless if you really want to spend the money to get the same copy again just to have the digital code for that one, it won't be the same. Just in case, if you say if you want to see this movie, but you don't really want to bring a Blu-ray player or whatever that you watch Blu-rays on, or a DVD player. You don't want to lug a whole player around, especially not on an airplane. And so you would have, recording this on my iPad, or you can watch it on your phone, or on any other device, or you can, what is this? Oh. What is the kid? I was just feeling this and oh, I thought it was broken. I was just, while I was doing this video, I was just feeling around. And I thought this was broken, but it wasn't. Or is it? No, actually it's not. It's kind of funny. So let's open this up, really. Okay. I don't know. It looks really weird. I haven't seen a clear DVD or Blu-ray in, well, Blu-rays I can see, but yeah, it's clear. That's the DVD and that's the Blu-ray. Since Blu-rays came out, these used to be blue, but now they come in different colors, I suppose. And as for the code, I'm gonna give the code to someone that they asked. Thank you for purchasing your purchase of Secret Life of Pets. as a gift. Get a free movie more. Well then. Let's read this a little bit more. I'm going to use my iPhone as a flashlight. Let's see. Okay, as a gift, get a free movie and more. When you sign up and receive an email update from Universal Studios, go to the website, enter the code, and pick a free digital movie. Follow instructions and watch your movie. Cool. So who's asking for the code? It's a win-win situation. I get a free movie. He gets the code. He gets the movie. He gets the movie of Secret Life of Pets. So that's pretty cool. All right. Anyway, I'll talk to you all later, and I'll see you whenever I see you or something, when I think of something what to make next. Until then, see you later.